Welcome back to the session of MS Word. In this session, we would be covering agenda number 3, formatting text and pages. Under that, we would be covering how to change font style, the size of the font, cases, alignments, line spacing, paragraph spacing, page numbering, header and footer. For this, I would be sharing a file which I have downloaded from Microsoft website. In this file, we would be doing basic formatting, the basic version of formatting. First, I have this document of 1.5 pages, which you can see here. Just to give ease to my eyes, I would be changing the background to a lighter shade so that it doesn't hit my eye. Assuming in this document, this is the title of my document. In order to format the title, I would want this to be size in 20 and as Times New Roman. This is the subheading for my title, which I again need to make it bold. In order to select this line, I can either click somewhere here and then select this, or I can click thrice at a fast speed to select this, or I can get my cursor somewhere here on the left hand side of the line and just click once. It would select the whole line. I would want to make it bold. I can click on bold icon, or also I can press Ctrl B. Next, I come to this line and I would want to make the point size as 10 and I select this. To select this paragraph, again, I can either come here, click and then drag it here to select it, or even I can do 3 clicks at a fast speed to select the same. Now, we will move on to the other way of changing the point size. I select this, I come to this icon, drop down, and I click to change the size of the line. Or else, I select the line. You can see my cursor is here. This is to increase the point size, and this is to decrease the point size. Or I would use a combination of control and close square bracket. You can see it here to increase the point size, and control and open square bracket to decrease the point size. How does it appear? Look here. I select this and I press Control, close square bracket. It is increasing my point size. Control, open square bracket. It will decrease my point size. I can do the same thing by using a combination of Control, Shift button and greater than sign to increase the point size, and the same combination with less than sign to decrease the point size. This is the way it appears. The difference between using control and square brackets and control shift less than sign is, with control and square brackets, it will increase or decrease the point size by 1 unit or 1 point size. But with the help of Control Shift and less than sign, more than sign, it will increase or decrease as per the options given in this drop down list. So if your point size right now is 20 and I use with square bracket to increase the point size, it will become 21, 22, 23, 24. But if I use Control Shift and greater than sign, right now the point size is 20. Let's see, it changes to 22, 24. Now I come to this drop down and check here. It's 20, 22, 24, 26. So this is the difference between using control and square brackets and control with less than and more than sign. Next, in order to change the alignment, alignment simply means the placement of the text in the document. Right now, by default, it is left aligned. I want to shift it to center. I either select or I just click anywhere in that line and I get my cursor to the paragraph grouping under Home tab, and you can see the cursor here. It is showing as left align. This is center align, this is right align, and this is justified. When you click on this drop down, you can see justified low, medium, high. This is just the strength of justification. We would discuss this later on. For timing right now, if I want to make it center aligned, I can either click on this icon or you can see the shortcut, which is Control E. So I press Control E, center alignment. Control R is right alignment, Control L is left aligned, and Control J is justification. You will not be able to differentiate between left alignment and justification right now because my text is ending only in one line, not even completing the whole line, which is from this edge till the right edge. We would see this later on. How does it differentiate? Now I come to my paragraph and I will see how does alignment work here. I select the paragraph by clicking 3 times at a fast speed. And right now, if you observe in this paragraph here, you can see the cursor, it is left aligned. I want me to make it center. This is center aligned. This is right aligned. You can see all the words ending on the right hand side are in a straight line. And then I click on justification. I just click justify, which is Control J. You can also use shortcut command Control J. If you observe this paragraph and the second paragraph following it, this paragraph, the alignment is Control J justified. This paragraph, the alignment is left. In justification, you can see the words, the lines are ending and they are in a straight line, but these are not ending on a straight line. Some lines are before, some are after, some are ending here. That is the difference between left align and justification. Next, we will be talking about spacing. There are 2 types of spacing, line and paragraph spacing. Right now, in this video, I will just talk about line spacing. And in the following video, I will be talking about difference between line and paragraph spacing and how does it work. Line spacing means the difference between 2 lines, the gap between 2 lines is called as line spacing. Right now, when I select this or I click anywhere in this line and I go to paragraph grouping, you can see the cursor, and I go to this icon which says line and paragraph spacing. I click here, you can see multiple options, 1, 1.15, 1.5. These are default line spacing. If you want your customized your own spacing, you click on line spacing options. And in this paragraph dialog box, my cursor is here, which is line spacing. You can change it from here, or you can give your own spacing this way. I cancel this. I'll repeat this again. You can either come here. You can even click on the dialog box launcher. And when you click on this dialog box launcher, you get this dialog box where you can see line spacing. Suppose I want to make this line spacing as 1. I come here, I make it 1. Just observe the difference between the lines when I change the spacing. I come to 1.5, the spacing is increasing. 2, 2.5, and 3. This is the spacing after this line, where you can see this empty space highlighted. This means there is space after this line. More about line spacing and paragraph spacing, I would talk in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you.